Yo, what's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about how you can consistently do 5K every month on Amazon.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rico. Me and my partner Dan, we talk about all things e-commerce, especially Amazon, because that's what we love, that's what we do. A little Shopify here and there, usually ragging on it just because you guys are messing up. But if you like that type of content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for a little bit because we love to hook you guys up with them knowledge bombs and give out plenty of free prizes, PlayStations, gift cards, all types of stuff. So let's go ahead, let's get into it. This is going to be a combination of two of our strategies that we use. Drop shipping first and then converting to FBA. As most of you guys know, we are huge proponents of private label drop shipping to lead into private label FBA. That's what we do. We use private label drop shipping as a tool to test products to get to private label FBA. I don't know how you guys have not figured that out yet. We get tons of messages and emails talking about, all right, I got $2,000. I'm jumping right into Amazon FBA. I'm like, all right, you go right ahead. I would not do it. You should probably test the products first and then go from there, see if it's viable, and then do that. Because what the gurus don't tell you is that over a third of those products that people are launching absolutely fail. You don't want that. You guys don't want to take your life savings, dumping them into a product, and then don't make any money with them. Let's talk about how this is going to work, all right? You obviously need viable products. But with private label drop shipping, you can do 5, 10, 20, 30K every single month just by drop shipping. You will not have to convert to FBA to do this right off the bat. Now, your product area, your product niche. Obviously, you guys know that we sell in pets, babies, and the geek niche, right? So let's talk about, just the geek niche for the time being. Apparel sells very well. Geek apparel, like, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Power Rangers even, that type of stuff, Apparel in the geek niche always sells very, very well, whether that's, sweatshirts or t-shirts or tank tops. Overall, throughout the entire year, apparel will always do very well. Stay with me, people. Stay with me. That's it for, people in the geek niche. So now you have like your mainstays. You're going to leverage those as like your front runners, as the ones that are going to make you the most money. You do not have to go FBA with those because you're going to have far too many variations. You're going to have too many parent and child listings in order to do that. Certain sizes may sell well, certain variations may sell well, but you will not have the funds necessary to just FBA all of those right off the bat unless you only have like one style, and that's just not going to work. So now that you have those, you're probably going to see anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 within your first couple of months just on apparel alone. Now there will be other products that you will bundle with those things that go well either in cold weather, will be like gloves, hat, scarves, things of that nature. And during the winter, just during the colder months, and then during the warmer months, there'll be things like flip-flops, maybe a sun hat, something along those lines. Back to school, there'll be like back to school gear and fanny packs and pencil cases and all those things. So that right there, your mainstays within the geek niche, right? So those things are going to help levitate your business to do that $2,000 to $5,000. And this will just be through drop shipping. It's not going to be through FBA. So when you go FBA, you can count on your products doing roughly double those sales, okay? So the things that are selling very well that you can actually get into, you can afford, because at that point you'll be making, a good $5,000, $6,000 every month, and your profit margin should be healthy enough, around 30 to 50%. You should be able to take the hot sellers and convert them over to FBA and do double. So at that point, you're going to be doing roughly, anywhere from $9,000 to $10,000. But you want your mainstay products, and those can be your mainstay products, especially if you're in the geek niche. This kind of applies overall, even into the baby niche, and that can carry over too. So remember, apparel will do very, very well, and since there's so many variations, someone is going to want something, whether it's in a set style or size. So you can sell a lot of apparel and have that $5,000 consistency with just through drop shipping. Now, if you're like in the pet niche, obviously you're not going to be selling a lot of pet clothes. Like we do a lot of, I can't say we do a lot of pet, pet apparel, pet clothing. We do roughly $2,000 to $3,000 every month with, just apparel. But a lot of our pet makeup is with not just dogs and cats, by the way. You guys are gonna be thinking about that. It's not just dogs and cats. There's feeders for, for birds, for rabbits and gerbils, hamsters, things like that. Beds are very, very big for pet owners. We're looking at things that people are going to buy all year round, okay? That's the key to doing $5,000 every single month and doing it consistently without fail. You have to find items that are going to sell all year round. You can't just go in here and like have a hot product for once, like a Martha Stewart crock pot, and be like, boom, I made all this money, and then, it just kind of flops. I'm not saying Martha Stewart products flop or anything. I'm just saying, you find a product that's hot, for a season and then just dips off. That's not what you want. You definitely do not want that whatsoever. All right, so that is how you guys are going to win the game. That's how you guys are going to compete. That's how you guys are going to win. I'm keeping it real with you. It is very possible to do $5,000 a month consistently. You have to follow the tips I just outlined, okay? That will guarantee that you make money every single month. So that being said, man, be safe, be smart. Make sure you check out the links in the description below, get into the free Facebook group and all that, and we will see you in the next one.